Is Rainbet worth trying in 2026? Rainbet promises to change the world of online crypto gambling with daily bonuses, lightning-fast payouts, and a sleek, modern experience. But is it really worth trying in 2026, or just another flashy site that looks better than it performs? Rainbet is a cryptocurrency-based casino and betting platform that accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other major coins. Right from the start, you'll notice the smooth, dark interface, animated menus, and a dashboard filled with trending games, top winners, and current bonuses. Signing up is quick email, password, and you're in. Within seconds, you can start playing. One of the biggest attractions of Rainbet is its bonus system. It offers daily rewards, free spins, and its signature feature called the Rain. This is basically a random drop of crypto prizes shared among active users in the chat room. It's a fun, community-driven idea that makes players stay engaged. Though most of these rewards come with wagering requirements you'll need to meet. Before withdrawing your winnings, when it comes to games, Rainbet has a surprisingly large library. Slots, roulette, blackjack, poker, and even sports betting are all here. Some games come from well-known developers, while others are Rainbet exclusives. The platform claims to use a provably fair system, which is supposed to make results transparent and verifiable. But there's no public third-party audit available to confirm that. Having that would make the platform far more trustworthy. Now let's talk about money. Deposits made with crypto are almost instant. You can start small, and your balance updates within seconds, no banks, no middlemen. Withdrawals, on the other hand, are generally fast for small amounts, but large withdrawals might trigger additional reviews and take longer to process. It's not necessarily a red flag, but it's something to keep in mind if you plan to move large sums. Rainbet operates under a Curaçao gaming license, which allows it to offer online gambling legally, but with fewer player protections than stricter jurisdictions like the UK or Malta. That means if something goes wrong, filing a formal complaint or recovering funds could be much harder. User experience, though, is excellent. The website runs smoothly, pages load fast, and everything works perfectly on both desktop and mobile. Security-wise, they use SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and minimal personal information is required to sign up, something crypto players really appreciate. The live chat community is also a big part of Rainbet's identity. Players chat in real time, share wins, and compete in mini-events. The Rain feature keeps people active, but that same dynamic can easily lead to overbetting if you're not careful. Like any gambling platform, it's designed to keep you playing. The best advice? Set your limits and stick to them. When it comes to reputation, user opinions are mixed. Many praise the clean design, the quick payments, and the daily rewards. Others mention withdrawal delays or confusion about bonus terms. There are no major reports of scams, but there's also no independent certification to fully confirm Rainbet's transparency. So what are the pros? Fast crypto transactions, fun community features, and a sleek, modern interface. The cons? Limited regulation, unclear bonus rules, and the inherent risks of playing on offshore crypto platforms. In simple terms, Rainbet is a mix of innovation and risk. It's exciting, fast, and offers something different for crypto enthusiasts, but it's not the safest or most transparent platform out there. If you decide to try it, play smart, use small amounts, and never chase losses. Rainbet isn't a scam, but it's also not a guaranteed win. It sits somewhere in the middle, a creative platform that works well for casual players who understand the risks. If this review helped you get a better idea of what Rainbet is all about, drop a comment below, share your experience, and subscribe for more honest tech and app reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp out there.